Hey, there you are. Hey, this is Practical Channel. If you are interested in programming, productivity, or digital nomad, click down below the button and then click on the bell so you can be up to date to everything we'll over here. Continue with our series with WordPress and ChatGPT. Set up a topic randomly system with a CPT that we're going to create for it. So I think it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to give us some automation that we really want to add to this system. So it's going to convert this water sand, because I don't think this is coffee, in code right now. Okay, so to continue our series, and in the last video, we were able to create a notification system for this. I decided to set up a form that the user can add as much topics as he would like to add, So if you remember, some videos before, we created this rustic system that allows to create a random, So I thought okay, how can we make this better? I have very good ideas to do this, but to make it simpler for you, I just decided to create a custom post type that I can add as much topics as I want. And that system is going to then add values randomly depending on the topics that I add. Of course, I can add way more features for, and if you're following the code over there on GitHub, you are going to see maybe a more developed version for this. But for the video, this is exactly what we need. We need to understand how the workflow it should be. So let's go do then. And for it, we need to first set up the post type. Okay, and I'm going to add it. Oh, sorry. I'm going to add it over here. Change the name over here. It will be Practical ChatGPT topics post type or wherever. Okay. So we're gonna change this to topics. I was gonna add something like ChatGPT topics, which is maybe more easy to get it. The text domain is going to be Practical ChatGPT. We are going to try to make another video for that, but I already have created a video to how to make languages for plugins and themes. So you can maybe leave it over there if you want to watch it later. And okay, so what we need from this, we cannot make these equitable. It should not be able to be accessible for others. So we're going to say something here like a false. It's not going to be public, but the register post type has a bunch of other options. Let me change this here, and one of them is the show UI publicly quotable and exclude from search. So we're gonna set those values here, and we're gonna then add these it's gonna be exclude from search. It will be true. It should not be searchable. We should add the show UI. The show UI is going to show it over the WP admin, and we're going to say yes for it. So it should be true. And it should be also then publicly quotable. So it should not be that. Okay. So it should not be publicly quotable. What we need from this? Okay. For now, we are only going to need the title, and that's it. That's the only thing that we are going to add, the title of the topic that is going to be taken to create our prompt internally. Remember that we're going to have pre-formatted prompt. In upcoming videos, I'm going to make something pretty cool with the options page that is going to allow you to set up better your prompts. But for now, it's the prompt that we have over here. I think it's can we prompt. I think it's this. Yeah, hey, write a blog about whatever, but it can be better. But for now, it's that. So we're going to say it only just to supports. And it should be then array. Array is the title and nothing else. So if I reload the page here, I should be able to look at ChatGPT topics. I already have created some tasks for this video. I'm gonna delete them over here. But what we are gonna do with this is try to add as much topics as we want, and it will be then taken by the system randomly and create the value. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I have my topics. array over here. And what we need to do is just to try to get the post topics. So in this case, it's going to be then the post, and we're going to say get post. And we're going to bring only the post that has the post type and topic. It should be post status. Post status publish. It should be also, just gonna say that only brings me one. Post per sheet per page should be 1. This is like the limit from SQL, so just 1 for now. And I only need the ID for now, just for this video. So with this post, I can say this get post. I can let me show you. It does receive the WP query class from WordPress, but options, and one of them that I like that a lot is the fields. So I do not bring the whole post value, So it will be something like this. You will see. So let me show you over here how it works. So you see, I can bring only the IDs of it, and instead of having to bring the whole post element. Okay. So I'm going to then say IDs, and there you go. Okay, so we have a post, and if post 0, because in this case it's going to give us an integer value. So we need to say, okay, inval this is greater than 0. We are gonna then tend to publish and make everything that we do over here. Okay. So for this, we were not gonna need this anymore. I was gonna make it commented. And for this, we are gonna change and say, hey, you know what? Just get the title, which is going to bring us the title that we're gonna set up. I'm gonna show you how. And post 0. Okay, we have then the ID. We're gonna get the title of that post, and that post is going to be a topic like a sushi, and it's gonna create a post for sushi. So let's see. Let me come my code here. I'm gonna just run the cron event list. Sorry, this cron event list. I'm gonna delete them all just to run them again. This is only for the testing on the video. in theory, it should be automatic. So I have seen some small errors that I have been polishing over my GitHub repo. If you want to follow them, you just go there and try to follow up the code over there. That would be cool. If you have any comments, just leave it down below. And let's go delete this. And let's say, okay, so which topics we have? Let's gonna add the same topics that we have, but we can add. We can try to make another thing today. So maybe we can talk about cars. So I can, for example, add BMW, Mercedes, Benz. So let's see what it does. This is new for the video. I don't know exactly what it's gonna do. Let's see if I can add another one. Sometimes it takes some time for. See, let me see if it's doing what I supposedly to do. There you go. Chevrolet. And let's add another one like a master, and that's it. So we have done 4 topics, and let's see what it does. So just for test this, as always we do in these videos, I'm going to just simply run the cron. So double click from event list, and I should then say double click from event run this one. So let's see. It should be doing something right now. I can even follow over here. What is it doing? Let's see if I can follow up with you this. And do this. Oh, look at that. Let's see if it works. Is it saying 954? Okay. Let's see, what is it bringing? It was created. Let's see if it sent the email. I go here. Yes, a new post has been created, and you should be able to. It did it over here. But why create it for? No, it didn't work. No. Let's see why it didn't work. No, sorry. Let me see. Oh, come on. Let me see what happened here. I have these. I'll let it wearable. I was gonna print the title. Yep. And let's see. Let's say that print for us with topic it wrote. So get the title, post 0. And yeah, I'm gonna add it over here. And we can follow up over here in this panel. And I'm running again. There you go. The topic was Mazda. Let's see what it did. Well, get the title of a post. Let's see why it's not working. Dun. Into the. Come on. Oh, there you go. Generative Mazda. That's great. So I created a post. Let's see if it does create the image for. There you go. We have a Mazda version for DALL-E. That's not that great. I don't like that much how the DALL-E is creating the images for, but you get the point, you know. So if let's see. I don't know why I didn't create the first one. I mean, I should add more like a try-catch system that tell us better, but we can polish that on a later video or on the GitHub repository. I always tell you, which is better to follow all the information over there. It's gonna create another one for Mazda. Let's see. What is it doing here? Let me change this because I hate those warnings. It will be this. And it should be the explode. Meme type. Yeah. Explode. Dun. Meme type. And this one explode is blah blah blah. And okay, not explode here, just the meme types here, because we already have it over there. There you go. Okay, it should be finished. Let's see. One more. Let's see what it wrote for us. I love this part, the notification system is so great. Yeah, created a new one. There you go. Oh, it looks better like an Mazda. Well, you got the idea. Any comment that you have, just leave it down below. On the upcoming video, I'm gonna show you way more cool things that I have
on my notes here for the series, and I hope you like it. And bye-bye.